Oh no, red light. Swerve, 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 swerve. All right, everybody, we're going to be jumping into this Moto Stars video. DK with a $25 donation.
That maneuver surprise.
That person switches over. We just saw this. Causes us to run into a Prius, which is one of the first things that I've seen, is that the Prius didn't cause the accident. So thank you, DK, with the 25. Make sure you guys sign up for Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel. We are moving over there.
Bro, I'm okay. I'm gonna go
stop
him.
At the end of the year, Dan the Fireman is transitioning to retire, and in 1 year, completely retired. Great job with the swerve. Are we gonna hit the curb though? Don't hit the median. Good job. Wow. Handled it. Get back. There you go. Switching to that lane. Open lane pattern though. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Blind spot. Blind spot. All right. So what I was saying is we're switching over from motorcycle training. Or I'm sorry, from Dan the Fireman to Motorcycle Training Concepts. It is our second channel. Make sure you guys sign up. It's going to be the #1 channel that we have. Dan the Fireman will be officially retiring next year. But we do motorcycle training, and this is the free area. This is the free area of the MTC Rider Academy. MTC Rider Academy is our membership site. You might want to check that out too for even more in-depth courses in training and downloadables. You can download a bunch, all of our digital stuff, like the drills, the booklet, and everything. Anyways, we're going to come up to here. We're going to see this vehicle come out. We're going to immediately position ourselves in a better spot. We located the hazard. We're navigating it. We went to red stage. We're moving over, and we're going to swerve and found an escape. But our escape is kind of limited because we have the median. But as a motorcyclist, we just need a little teeny tiny spot. Handled it really well. Wooter Musta with the $4.99. Thank you so much for the donation. There it is. And as soon as we get in here, we had to accelerate through and speed up. Our space cushion with this truck is going to be diminished. So now we're actually going to move over in a different lane, which is exactly what you want to do. But we're coming up to an intersection. We're going to be going into orange stage because we have a whole new situation coming up ahead. We just accomplished whatever it is we needed to accomplish to stay safe. Open lane pattern with this truck. He's rolling off the throttle. We're slowing it down because we had to accelerate to get ourselves out of there, and we just blew up. Just kidding. But now we're in a blind spot, so we can continue to roll off the throttle, let everybody just move forward. Handled it. Did a great job. Amazing skills. Amazing reaction time. Love it. Not much you can do in that situation, Renair. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be dumb. They said it, not me. Why does that happen? Write in the comments. Why did all of a sudden, when there's nothing in front of us, that we just fall down? Why would our front tire lose complete traction and slide? Right in the comments. I'll give you guys that one. That's your guys' job to figure that one out. It locked up. He's still sliding. Ooh, leg got caught and still sliding. Ooh, I want to see what his butt looked like. Just kidding. This kind of weird situation, but there it is. If you're wearing regular jeans, your butt's not going to hold up in a slide. Your pants aren't going to hold up in a slide. You're losing flesh. Now, imagine trying to take a dump. I guess I could have just said just driving in your car or sitting down in a seat, or why did I say dump? Oh no, red light. Swerve, 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 swerve. His head fell off. Look at his head. Why is his helmet falling off, everybody? Did we have it strapped in? No, use that retention system. So, line of sight issue, couldn't see. The motorcyclist couldn't see. He's rushing through the yellow. Might have been safer to do so than just trying to slam the brakes and stop. This vehicle should have been in the first available lane, but we should also be in an orange stage just in case some dum-dum does this. We have 3 lanes. We can choose to swerve left, we can swerve right, we can stay in the lane that we're currently in. Didn't swerve good enough. Ooh, I think he's... Oh no. He's unconscious. This is a straight up traumatic brain injury. Look how he's stiffened up. Probably got the traumatic brain injury. His helmet's already off. Right here where he hits his head. Oh no. Watch his body posture. Right there. He's not lifting his legs for his abs. You see how he's just kind of like, he's just like, oh no. So we have an issue here. He's got head injury symptoms and spinal cord injury symptoms. I hope he's still alive.
Despite the limited visibility, the driver didn't attempt to make sure he's good to go, thus failing to spot the...
Oh, line of sight issue, huh? Yeah, we've seen this one like years ago. This is an old one. Line of sight issue that you couldn't see around that bus or that big vehicle. I can't tell anymore. I'm losing brain cells. Just watch. This is like probably 1,000th video I've seen of crashes. All right, so we got the plan method here. So we should be positioning for safety, locating hazards, and assessing relevant threats, and navigating active threats. This is sponsored by Cardo. Use code DDTF. Links in description for a discount. Thank you, Cardo, for sponsoring this lesson. So positioning for safety, you always want to be looking for good line of sight. You want to have a good space cushion, and always looking for escape paths. Remember, you can apply some brakes and try to slow down and stop, but finding where you can go and navigate your bike into that spot is really important. Locating hazardous situations, corners, intersections, are hazardous situations. Automatic orange stage, prepped and ready, covering the brakes. And now you're kind of like in a paranoid moment. But when you're assessing relevant threats, you want to look for those sides of the vehicles, open lane patterns, making sure that, you know, are they actually threats? Because once they become threats right here, we have to do something, go into red stage. We have to swerve, emergency progressive braking, might even have to accelerate into an escape path and then slow down. We have to do a bunch of little things. But thank you, Cardo, for sponsoring this. We got to get back to the video. Let's go ahead and take a look. Moto Vlogs Niagara.
I hope so.
Okay. Got a roundabout. Intersection. That's what it is. Okay. Don't get mad. Just go. It is what it is. Hey, nice little group ride.
In a group, a mistake by one rider can endanger the rest. Luckily, in
So
this case,
it's up a hill on a turn. Looks like a little bit of gravel. This can be kind of creepy and a little bit too much for some riders. It's a more narrow road, okay? Stopping on a hill is pretty scary. Some people don't want to stop on the hill. This is where practicing your hills are important. This is where slow straight line comes in handy, friction zone, using that rear brake. Okay, being comfortable with when you're on a hill to accelerate instead of just falling back down, utilizing your brakes, utilizing gears, utilizing the friction zone and throttle control. So it's slow straight line really helps. Practice, practice, practice. We're doing some wheelies. This is an area that I'm okay with because look at low hazards outside of you being the hazard and dumping the bike and smashing your tib fib on your left side. It was a very deserted road that we practice on where we don't disturb anyone. So now they're coming to help each other. This is where you guys want to do it. I'm good with this. Carry a rescue pack just in case, but this is where you want to do it. Everyone's there to help out. Just, I don't know. You can be a smart rider and be a stunter too. You totally can. This is how you do it. Wear full gear.
Yeah.
Reduce hazards. It's a parking lot, basically. It's a straight parking lot.
How much trouble they cause and stuff.
Don't get hit from behind.
Who hit you?
That car did.
He just ran into you?
Yeah, he just ran into me.
Are you serious?
Whoa. Are they talking on their Cardo pack talk edges?
He's on his legs.
He just hit you.
Links in the description for that, remember?
He hit me. I'm fine.
Ooh, left leg?
What the heck, man?
He didn't mean to, hon. It was all
Oh,
stop.
rear-ended.
Okay, I'm good. I'm safe.
Good. Okay. That's the big thing. Wasn't paying attention.
Okay?
She's okay.
Hit your bike.
Everyone's kind of
Where
calm.
you hit your bike?
I don't know where he hit. He just pushed me, so I don't know. I mean, look.
Yeah, you guys will check. You'll find what's uncommon there. It's like, hey, that part doesn't look right. Just kind of like what you do when you look for injuries on the body. If you know what a body looks like, you know, you got 2 arms, 2 legs, 10 fingers, 20 toes, right? 20 toes. You'll start to see what's different. And so on the back of the bike, you'll just see what's different.
Oh, man.
Everyone's fine? Everyone's good? Yeah, you rookies have like 20 toes. It's weird.
Ride your bike to make sure it's not screwed up.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, check it out.
Are you okay?
All right, moving on. Whoa, bunch of U-turners. Good job with the progressive braking, but we kind of put ourselves in a weird spot. Kind of a weird spot. We accelerated into it. Okay, maybe don't do that next time. But anyways, we're going over here. Whoa. Side of the dude with a suitcase. Side of the pedestrian. Okay, see, like when you do that, it just causes them to pause and stay in your path of travel. Just let them go and move over. Okay, we're Red Wing having a lot of issues with pedestrians. A lot of issues with pedestrians. All right, Nacho going through here. We got a turn. We got a car in front of us. Line of sight issues. We're doing pretty good with the speed. Okay, we're gonna pass. Watch out for anybody coming around. Our buddy just crashed. Why'd he crash? Why'd he crash? What's up, Admiral Khan? How you doing? Yeah, make sure you remain calm. You got full gear. Sure, go ahead and put it in gear, like first gear, so it doesn't. Okay, so you had to move it forward a little bit to actually put it in gear. So rescue our buddy. Seems to be up and moving. Wonder why he crashed. Wasn't paying attention? Got cut off by him. All right, rolling on 2. Going around the corner. Are we gonna go low side? Or is there gonna be somebody coming into our lane? Ooh. They're hauling ass around corners. Hopefully they can stay upright. Because they went around this corner and maybe there's gonna be a dust up. And it's filmed, it's all pixelated. This is a sharp corner. This is where it's probably gonna be. No, it's that second one that usually gets them. There it is. Hey, look it. Now we're in front again. So if it was really a race, who's winning now? It's not a race. It's about that adrenaline. It's about that hauling ass. It's about getting that feeling that you want to get. I completely just enjoy the view. The view is just, that's what I'm here for. Now, that's just me, though. If you're going to be racing like that, make sure you wear full gear. Make sure you have a rescue pack. Make sure you guys actually pay attention. And make sure you use the plan method. So, thank you for Motorcycle Training Concepts for sponsoring this. Join the MTC Rider Academy. Subscribe to Motorcycle Training Concepts. I'll see you guys later.